Today we are going to be drawing DeAndre Hopkins of the Arizona Cardinals. Thanks for joining us.
So who is DeAndre Hopkins?
He's an all-pro NFL wide receiver.
And why do we want to draw DeAndre Hopkins?
Because he's very, very good at catching the ball.
He is good. And we got a request from one of the fans that follows Hey Kids Let's Draw channel, and they requested to draw D-Hop. And I was like, who's D-Hop? And Kimball said,
DeAndre Hopkins.
Well, thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to like and
subscribe.
And request more players on Instagram or TikTok or Patreon. And here we go right now with DeAndre Hopkins. Hello everybody. Welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Today we're drawing DeAndre Hopkins of the Arizona Cardinals. Drafted 2013 first round pick by the Texans, the Houston Texans. This all-pro wide receiver now plays for the Cardinals, and he is very exciting to watch, and we are ready to draw. Get your dark marker, it could be a dark gray or a black. Let's use that pointed tip. We got Kimball drawing with us today. Find the center of your paper up and down, the center of your paper across, and then go up in this area. We will draw DeAndre Hopkins' head. Now DeAndre Hopkins has more of a wide, squared off jaw, so here's what we'll do. Go down to a pointed chin, kind of. Up. See how it's kind of squared off? Do the best we can, you're doing great. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this head. This will be DeAndre Hopkins' headband. So arch. Should do a couple ears real quick. Ear on that side. We'll connect this headband. So starting at this ear, we'll go up, over, and down to the ear to a point. So that's his headband, sweatband, whatever you want to call it, right? So now we're gonna draw, DeAndre Hopkins has these big dreadlocks, right? These cool swooping dreadlocks. Let's draw one right now. We'll start right here find the middle and then go to the left a little bit. Draw a big swooping dreadlock that goes down, curve and goes up and disappears into that ear. Good, that looks great, Kimball. Let's do one on this side. Do a big swooping dreadlock that comes down on that side and maybe disappears into the chin area. Now he has more dreadlocks than that, so let's do maybe one that comes inside the neck area right there. And over here, this one's gonna kind of poke out, so we'll go around, down, curve, and connect it to the hair. Oops. Yeah. Kind of look like snakes, huh? And let's do one over here. We'll go start this dreadlock, come down, maybe bump it out and connect in. Good job. And then between these two, we'll do one more. It's gonna be kind of longer, come out and connect up. Kind of a wild haircut. Good job, DeAndre Hopkins. We like it. So let's do the neck. So the neck's gonna hide behind this dreadlock. There's a line that touches that dreadlock, at least on mine, but you can draw a straight line down and then a straight line down on that side. And we'll do a little point. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect to that point like a V. So here we go. Down to the point, touch, down to the point, touch. Nice work. Let's do the shoulder pads. So start up here, mine's gonna connect into that dreadlock. Over here, connect into that one, connect into that one. Round it off, round it off. Now we're gonna bring it down into a skinny waist, down into a skinny waist. Good, and we're gonna do a straight line across to connect that waistline. Awesome. Over here we'll do a big football. One curve, 2 curve for a football shape. And we'll do 4 circles on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the fingers grabbing the football, and here's a thumb up there. And we'll do his muscle coming down and hiding into the back of the football. All right. On this other side, we'll do the other arm. So being a curve. Oh, mine goes behind that dreadlock, comes down to the elbow area. Down to the wrist. I'm gonna do a line, that's the glove. Okay, let's do some fingers. So we'll do the thumb extended out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the wrist. Good job, looking good. So let's do the pants. Sound good? Okay. Down, up, and into the waist. As you can see, we do kind of a cartoon football player, right, Kimball?
Yeah.
So we do big head, smaller features, small legs, and then we're gonna do big shoes. So let's do some skinny little legs. 1, 2, 1, 2. Connect those ankles like that. Okay, here we go with some shoes. There's not a lot of space on Kimball's page. That's okay. He's gonna make it work. I have a little more space, so you just make it work the best you can on your drawing. So right now we're gonna do the tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, and then we're gonna do the shoelace bumps. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces, okay? Now starting at the shoelace, we're gonna go clear out to the edge and down. Bring it straight across and stop at the ankle area and connect up to the leg. Good. Come down from that ankle, stop, straight across to the edge of the paper, up, and connect to these shoelaces. Nice work. All right, let's move on really quick to DeAndre Hopkins' face. We're gonna do these kind of ovals, right? So 1 oval, kind of by the ear. Good job. Over by this other ear, we'll do another oval, same size, if you can. Do a circle on the inside of that oval. And do another smaller circle on the side of that oval. Those 2 circles are the what, Kimball?
Highlights.
They're the highlights, right? They'll stay white. Do an arch. Do an arch. We're gonna color these areas in with our black or dark markers and leave the highlights white. Leave that arch white for now. Okay.
I'm just gonna lightly color it in for now.
Okay, just lightly color it in if you want. I'm just gonna color it in so our viewers can see. Now really fast, I like to grab a light blue marker. I'll let Kimball use this one too. This light blue marker, I color in these arch shapes. I like to say this is the reflection of the stadium lights.
But it might also be his eye color.
And sometimes it could be the eye color. But it's something to add a little interest to our drawing. Okay, and now we're gonna do the eyebrows. Go up, down, up, down. Okay, now on the edge of the eyebrow, go straight up, and follow the up, down to a point, up, down to a point, and those get colored in with our dark markers. All right, let's do the nose. So come down, find the edge of your eye, come down, edge of the eye, come down. What we're gonna do is the nostril will go to the edge of that nose. It's basically a sideways raindrop. Good, that looks good, Kimball, good job.
Thanks.
Okay. Do a couple of lines around those nostrils. Now let's do the lips. So it's gonna look like a bird. So we're gonna start down, up, and swoop out. Good job. Okay, and underneath we'll do a line. Up, down, and touch. So the top part of the lip just follows that shape, okay? Do some lip marks on the side. Now he has this little chin beard, so let's kind of squiggle a little bit of a beard. You can scribble that in because it's whiskers, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. And he has this little lip beard and a little bit of a mustache. So let's kind of follow the lip shape right there. And that is basically the outline of our DeAndre Hopkins character. So what we're gonna do now, actually, keep with your black marker. We're gonna do the number 10 really quick. And let's see here. So on this side of the jersey, find the middle of your character, and on this left side, we'll do the number 1. So we'll go down, little over, straight down, over, up, and it's gonna curve at the top and connect. Boom. Good job. Now the 10 is a little bit more angular. So we're gonna go angle down, straight down, angle down, over, up, straight up, angle in, and connect. All right, and in the center of our 10 is a rectangle. So down, over, up, over. Cool. Number 10, let's do with our black marker, we'll do a stripe down to the sock. Stripe down to the sock. Now we'll start up here at the waist, and it's gonna go down to a point. Down and connect to that point. Up the waist, down and connect to the point. He's got a couple of designs on his jersey up here. A black point, and I'll color that in so you can see it. And another one that comes down, point. And on the side of the shoulder pad, this comes over and connects to the armpit area. Big arch connects to the armpit area. Same thing, we'll go start wide and come down to a skinny point. Start wide and come down to a skinnier point. And there we have, actually I'm just gonna add some stripes on the shoes real quick while we're here. We're gonna fast forward now. What do you think, Kimball? Should we color DeAndre Hopkins?
Yes.
Looking good, man. That looks great.
Thanks.
So here's what we'll do. We're gonna do the dreadlock hair, our black. We'll do flesh color face and arms. Actually, he wears sometimes an undershirt, so maybe we'll leave those red. A red Cardinals jersey, white letters, white pants, and white shoes with red stripes. So do you want to tell them what we're about to do?
Color.
Color. So fast forward. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Fast forward now.